Who is it? Missy, what is that you just told me?
Oh, I didn't say it. I didn't say it.
What was that word? I didn't catch it the first time.
I can't remember.
He said Mrs. Zimmerman
I can't recall.
had a what? A vajumic? Or was it?
I think it was a cunt.
A gunt? It was a gunt.
Wait, what? It was high school. I missed.
I don't even want to know.
I didn't get in her nose.
She ate a lot of stuff.
Say bye.
Yeah, she ate like 1.5 pounds of bread.
She loves bread. Get it off your nose.
I know a song that Julia wrote.
Where's open?
Really gay.
It didn't even rhyme.
I know.
That's Jared, you wrote, what is a macaroni? Jack, back in. We're not going inside.
Daryl's flying over. There he goes. Hey!
I like started coughing real bad.
Hey! Gonna say hey? Okay then.